babe. How was work?
Oh my God, what happened?
I'm not bouncing at a club.
What do you mean you're not bouncing? You've been lying to me?
I went in to apply. They were only paying $9 an hour. And then I saw the sign for this other thing. Look, they're gonna kick us out of the house in 3 weeks. We're running out of options.
Then they kick us out of the house in 3 weeks. I'd rather go back to the old apartment than see you in the back of an ambulance again. I thought we agreed we weren't going to raise our children in a family where their father gets beat up for a living.
We're not giving up this house. This is our home. And we're not going backwards.
We'll figure this out. But this is not what we're going back to.